What do you think we're gonna do? Hey, I'm gonna show you a few tips you might not know about when cleaning your hardwood floor or your laminate flooring, okay? I like to use a dust mop like this before I actually clean the floor. And these work really good. Now, it's true, the floor that I just put in is in a multi-purpose room, so I can use this back and forth. It's got a swivel head, works good, you know? And I get all dust up with this before I start cleaning with this. You might wonder, what the heck is this? It's not a Swiffer duster gizmo, okay? But I love this thing. Now this one's from Bona. And B-O-N-A. And what it is, and here's some cleaner from Bona. Now am I trying to sell you Bona? Am I a Bona rep? Am I getting paid to do this video? No. I'm just trying to help you out. I like this, and I don't use this as a dust mop, but I guess you could. You know, it swivels all around. It's really good, but what I like about it is I'll spray the Bona on there, and this is designed for hardwood. It's hardwood floor cleaner. What you got to do on your hardwood floors or laminate floors, read the directions on stuff. Don't just start getting down on a hardwood floor, start cleaning it with a scouring pad or your everyday household cleaners, because you might be upset if you do that. You know, go somewhere where they sell hardwood floors, look and see what types of cleaners. Am I trying to sell you Bona? No, you can get whatever you want. But if you do get Bona, you can get a refill kit. You know, a container like this, way cheaper than you can buy individual ones. But you buy the individual one first, you got the spray nozzle, then get this one to fill that up, okay? But as for the floor itself, this right here, I love this, and here's the reason why. This is washable. You don't just pull this and throw it away. And it's got some little, you know, self-adhesive, not self-adhesive, but you know, what am I trying to say? The sticky Velcro. And then you just take this and put that on there, and it sticks right on there. This could be wet or anything, but the beauty of this is you can take this and you can wash this out. You can clean this, and you can use it over and over and over, and it works really super good. When you get done rinsing it out and squeezing it out and cleaning it, you put this back on. You don't have to buy like a Swiffer and keep ripping this off every time you use it a little bit. You got to put another piece on. This will save you money, and it really does good. As you're spraying your floor, you just spray it. You want to get that moist, you can just kind of rub on this. And this will take up lots of stuff, okay? Footprints and just all kinds of things. All right, that's what I use on these types of floors. I use this little handheld cleaner applicator, okay? Oh, it works good. If you don't have one of these, go to the store and look for them. Look for something similar to this. If it's not from Bona, try to find something else. But get the pad that you just rip off of here, and you can clean this. You don't have to necessarily do it every single time that you do your floor, but you can do it, you know, every 5 or 6 times, once a month, whatever. And this little pad is going to last you for, I don't know, quite a few years, depending how often you clean your floor. Now it gets dirty, and that's why you've got to clean that, you know. But there's your tips when it comes to cleaning a laminate floor. Look at them, see them? There's two of them right there.